Ladies and gentlemen, Greg McCloskey from ForexLive.com. The Aussie versus US dollar is down and up and back down again, with resistance holding on the top side and support holding on the downside. Take a look at this video to find out what levels are key in your trading today. Looking at the hourly chart, there are a couple things that really stick out in my mind, and one is this green line. This green line represents the 200-hour moving average, and yesterday the price moved up to that 200-hour moving average on a number of different occasions and found willing sellers against that level. Admittedly, the price didn't go too far into the downside until this part right here, and in trading yesterday, the market came off of that level near the close before starting the new trading day, and once again moving up in the Asian session and testing that 200-hour moving average right here once again. And this time we did see follow-through selling on the downside for this pair. So there has been a ceiling against the 200-hour moving average. Now on the downside, there's been some decent support against another swing area. That swing area comes between 0.6750 and 0.67546. If I go back in time to this area through here, all these different highs, and then we moved above it and it started to use that level as a support floor. In trading yesterday, admittedly, the price moved below that level. The price should have gone lower, should have headed down toward the 38.2% retracement and then the 100-day moving average, but it was not meant to be. Instead, we saw a rebound back to the upside and reestablishment of that swing area as support. And in trading here today, after testing the 200-hour moving average here, the price moved down and retested this swing area right through here. And we did it again in the last hour or so of trading as well, coming down toward the 0.6750 to 0.67546. So if you're going to take a look at the Aussie versus US dollar, it's a story of two different borders. One is this swing area on the downside. The other is this 200-hour moving average on the top side. And note here that the 100-hour moving average is coming down to converge with that 200-hour moving average. So both those levels will be in play on any move to the upside. We currently trade in between those levels and maybe just below this low price going back to this day right here, or this high price going back to this day right here. We're trading just below it here at the moment. Will that be a close resistance level for traders? Now watch the 0.6773 level. If it stays below that level, maybe we're tilting more to the downside if the buyers, after the buyers had their shot earlier in the day. My name is Greg McCloskey. Good fortune with your trading. Bye bye now.